Hello everyone, today we're excited to introduce the VIVOSUN Collapsible Folding Wagon, a versatile outdoor utility cart designed to make your life easier with its impressive 300 pounds load-bearing capacity and no required assembly. This wagon unfolds to a spacious 36.2 by 22 by 41.7 inches, yet folds down to a compact 9.4 by 8.7 by 25.6 inches, making it perfect for camping, gardening, sports, picnics, and shopping. Crafted from durable 600D Oxford fabric with a waterproof PVC coating, it features convenient side pockets and cup holders for your valuables and drinks. The smoothly rotating, 90-degree adjustable handle ensures easy maneuverability, locking securely in place to prevent any unwanted movement. Equipped with silent, 360-degree swivel front wheels, this wagon glides effortlessly over any terrain and includes brakes for added safety on slopes. Its quick fold design allows for effortless storage and portability, and the fabric is easily removable for deep cleaning. With the VIVOSUN Collapsible Folding Wagon, enjoy the perfect blend of functionality and convenience for all your outdoor adventures. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.